Hello friends, I am your English teacher. My name is Bina Salunkhe. I am from Genba Sopanrao Mojhe Sanstha's Sundarbai Marathe Vidyalay, Kharadi, Pune. I have been teaching English for 10th standard from last 15 years. So friends, today let's learn the poem Basketful of Moonlight, in which we will see a small child's request to the moon. This is very beautiful and simple poem to understand. Friends, in this poem we will see the parental love, the child's love towards his fathers. We can see that nowadays parents could not get the time to spend with their children, and in this way children get deprived of their parental love. Friends, we know that many people from village go to city to earn livelihood. They work hard for their families. People do this to give the better education to their children and fulfill their all the necessities. But alas, they cannot find time to spend with their little ones. In this poem, a little boy is deprived of his father's company, his father's love. So, this small child in a village wants his father to return early and safely from the city to tell him the stories. So, he requests the moon to give him seeds of moonlight to show them to lighten the dark route from the city to his village. So, see what an innocent idea we are going to see in this poem. Now, just have a look on the poem Basketful of Moonlight. O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or two basketful, with seeds of moonlight. From the city to my village, on the sides of path, I want to show many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep. Students, let's see first two stanzas from this poem. In these two stanzas, we can see how the poet, that is speaker, which is a child, is requesting the moon. He requests the moon to give him moonlight. He wants basketful or two basketful. And not only this, he is also requesting moon to give him some seeds of moonlight. Now you might have a question, why this child needs seeds of moonlight? See what an innocent request, what an innocent idea he is doing to the moon. The child wants these seeds to sow on the sides of the path that leads to his village from the city. He wants to sow many small moons of light all along the path. See the bonding of love between the child and his father. See the care of child towards his father. Elder people can speak, but children cannot speak each and every word. They just represent their love from their feelings. According to child, the whole village, that is almost working people of village, goes to the city for work. And friends, we know that many people from village goes to city to earn their livelihood. And they get returned at their village at very late in the night. By the return of their to village, it becomes quite dark. As the poet's village is quite far off from the city, as well as moreover the route to the village is very tough and full of snakes and scorpions. So the road is always quite dangerous, and we also have read, we listen, so such incidents that happened in the villages, and we also might have read about these animals which are present on the road at the night. That is why the child wants to lighten the road of his father. He again tells us that there were no buses, no cars on the path. In the cities, we have so much facilities, so much vehicles for our traveling. But in villages, this does not happen. So the route is quite tough and full of harmful animals. In the case of this child, the speaker of the poem, he is always asleep by the time when his father returns home from work. Then again the father leaves early for work in the morning. While the child is still asleep, in this way, father could not see his child's face and child could not see his father's face. In this way, both cannot enjoy their love, both cannot share their love, their feelings towards each other. What a tragedy. So the child repeats his request for a basketful of moonlight on loan. The child wants to light the dark route to his village so that father can return early in the evening. Like any other child, he too wants to listen the stories from his loving father. You might have also like to listen the stories. And who would not? All the children like the stories to listen from their father, grandfather, grandmother. In these two stanzas, we see that the child's love for his father. I hope you might have understand the poem because poem is very beautiful, poem is very simple. So when we speak about the new words from the poem, the poem did not have any hard words, but let's see some words from the poem. Moonlight, we all know that moonlight means light of moon. Whole, that is entire. Here poet use the phrase whole village, that is entire village. Scorpions, it is a kind of spider with a poisonous sting in its tail. Plies means goes to and fro. When we study this poem, when we read this poem, we understand that the poem is very beautiful, simple, and expressing the parental love, the child's love toward his father. While making it beautiful by the meaning, the poet uses many beautiful poetic devices in this poem. Do you know poetic devices? Friends, poetic devices are a form of literary device in which used in the poetry. A poem is created out of poetic devices: structural, grammatical, rhythmic, material, verbal, and visual elements. These are the tools the poet uses to create rhythm and enhances the poetic meaning. So today, let's see one of the poetic devices, that is figures of speech. While making the poem beautiful, poet uses alliteration, repetition to make this poem beautiful, to enhance the meaning of the poem. The first one is alliteration. When we read the line, "O moon, give me moonlight, basketful or two basketfuls." Here, M in moon, M in me, and M in moonlight. This M consonant is repeated. That in Marathi we can see M sound is repeated. That is why it is alliteration. Poet used this figure of speech to enhance the meaning of the poem. The second figure of speech is repetition. A repetition is a figure of speech where a word or a group of words is repeated. The line, "I want to so many small moons of light." Here, small, this small word is repeated to enhance the meaning of the poem, to make the poem very beautiful. Students, in this way, we learn that how the speaker of this poem, which is a child, expressing or he is requesting the moon to give him moonlight to lighten the road of his father, that his father would come early at the home and he could listen the stories from his father. What innocent idea the child have, and from this innocent idea, this innocent feeling, we can understand the poet's love or the speaker's love towards his father. I hope you might have understand all these two stanzas from this poem, Basketful of Moonlight. Thank you very much. Thank you.